Okay guys, welcome back. So what we got here is this is the torque limiter gear. This is the torque limiter shaft. This is the retaining bolts and washer. And the collar. Kawasaki. Okay. Now we're going to take the shaft, with the collar. It has to go first, which is last. So beveled edge is towards us. And they're like that. So now you can see, there she is. I'm going to try to get some of this try to get some of the molybdenum off the threads here, because you may have been able to do it differently and put it on after. Well, no, I can't. But you got to put thread lock this to go on here. You wouldn't want this to come out when you're driving, would you? And here's our plug. With our new crush washer. It's new. You want to use new crush washers, new washers on mostly all, pretty much everything. Shouldn't be using this because it takes too long. So the 18 foot-pounds of torque, 18 foot-pounds, 7.25. Eighteen foot-pounds, and we're in place. They're both touching each other and they both roll good. So moving on. I'm going to leave it at that. And then now, the torque limiter is installed. As you can see, the torque limiter and the starter clutch is installed. And that is how you do that. So that is part 3 of the videos. Sorry it took me so long, but yeah, on to the next video. So if you like my videos, please like, share it, and subscribe for more. So when I get some done, you'll know that they're out there. And we'll see you next time. All right, lates.